When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements make as big of an impact as new windows. They influence everything from curb appeal to energy efficiency, comfort, and security. Flores Construction has built its reputation on offering window installation services that seamlessly combine durability with design, giving homeowners the best of both worlds. Built to last. Strength you can rely on. Durability is at the heart of Flores Construction's approach. Windows are more than glass panes. They're structural elements that protect your home from the elements, improve insulation, and provide safety. The company carefully selects materials that stand up to the demands of local climates, whether that means intense sun exposure, heavy rains, or seasonal storms. By using high-quality frames and weather-resistant finishes, Flores Construction ensures that its installations resist warping, fading, and cracking over time. Customers can count on windows that not only look great on day one but continue to perform for decades. Reinforced locking mechanisms and shatter-resistant glass are also available, offering an extra layer of security for families who value peace of mind. Design that elevates your home, while strength is essential. Flores Construction knows homeowners want more than just durability, they want windows that reflect their style. That's why the company offers a wide variety of designs, from sleek, modern casement windows to timeless double-hung models that fit traditional architecture. Each installation is tailored to the home's character, ensuring the new windows feel like a natural extension of its design. Whether a customer envisions expansive picture windows that flood the interior with light or energy-efficient sliding windows that blend style with function, Flores Construction has options to match every taste. Homeowners also enjoy a wide range of customizable details, frame colors, grid patterns, and hardware finishes. These finishing touches mean that windows aren't just practical upgrades, they're also statement pieces that elevate a property's curb appeal. Energy efficiency for comfort and savings. Today's homeowners expect their windows to do more than let in light and fresh air. Energy efficiency is a priority, and Flores Construction delivers. Their window installations feature advanced glazing technologies, low-E coatings, and insulated frames that help regulate indoor temperatures. The result is a home that stays cooler in summer and warmer in winter, without overworking the HVAC system. Over time, this translates to significant energy savings, making new windows both a stylish and practical investment. Customers can feel confident knowing they're reducing their carbon footprint while enjoying lower monthly bills. A customer-first installation process. Flores Construction understands that a window installation is more than just a construction project, it's a transformation of someone's home. That's why the company puts customer experience at the center of everything they do. From the first consultation to the final walkthrough, clients can expect clear communication, professional guidance, and a team that respects their time and property. Experienced installers ensure every window fits perfectly, is sealed against drafts, and operates smoothly. The crew's attention to detail minimizes disruption during the project and maximizes long-term satisfaction after it's complete. Why homeowners choose Flores Construction? For many families, choosing Flores Construction comes down to trust. With years of expertise and a commitment to combining craftsmanship with design innovation, the company has earned a reputation for delivering results that exceed expectations. Homeowners don't just get windows that function, they get windows that transform the way their house looks and feels. By blending durability, design, and customer care, Flores Construction ensures that every installation adds long-term value to a home. It's not just about replacing old windows, it's about creating a living space that's more secure, more beautiful, and more comfortable for years to come.